Hello everyone, I'm Brindha. I'm a developer and a part of my work revolves around documentation. I have always liked this documentation work and I am eager to become a technical writer. But before taking a major decision of changing my career path, I wanted to take a deep dive into technical writing. So I am here taking up the technical writing course at Harvin. The syllabus was well organized and structured. So far, I have attended 2 sessions and the takeaway from the classes have been good. From the first session, I got to know what exactly technical writing is all about. The real-time technical document demonstrated in the second session was of great learning and answered most of the questions which I had in mind. And I highly appreciate my tutor for sharing this. I am happy with the quality content provided by Harvin and the way Mr. Gopal takes it forward. He is a great teacher with remarkable industry experience. He holds our attention, ensures the session is interactive, and delivers the content in a way easier for us to understand. I am happy and confident that this course will serve my purpose. This course will benefit everyone who aspires to become a successful technical writer, and I highly recommend it from Harvin. Thank you.